Hello, my name is May Rabano from Strong Bikini Mom. I am a certified personal trainer as well as a core specialist. I specialize in helping moms correct their diastasis recti as well as reverse early signs of urinary incontinence. I became an expert in this field shortly after getting my certification as a core specialist through Bellies Inc. education. And I also gained my expertise through my own personal transformation as well as dealing with having diastasis recti myself. I found out that I had diastasis recti after my third daughter was born. She was about a month old, and I just happened to be lying in bed, and I just started to get out of bed, and I lifted my head slightly, and I happened to notice that my stomach started to peak. And what that meant is that my abdomen muscles started to form a little mound. I thought that was kind of strange. What is this? So I investigated it further, and as I was palpitating my abdominal muscles, I discovered that I could fit my fist in between my two rectus abdominal muscles all the way down. So I literally had a gap like this wide in between my belly. So that was at about 4 weeks. Kind of freaked out, and I was thinking, oh my goodness. Okay, it's bad enough a mother goes through a ton of physical changes to deliver and have her babies. And then now I'm having to deal with this. What is this? So I spoke with my doctor, my OB-GYN, at my 6-week checkup, and she explained to me that it was merely a separation in my abdominal muscles, and it was normal. However, the only way I could fix it is through surgery. So at that point, I already felt defeated, and I was very disappointed at my body, and I was very emotional because I couldn't, I loved being pregnant, I loved having my kids, but now I felt like I was damaged. So, and I wasn't the type of person that would really be open to having surgery. So I literally just decided to accept it and move on. So shortly after that, I had my youngest when I was 39. I was 39. And I strictly remember as I creeped into my 40s, I started to feel old. What I mean by that is I had gained excess weight from all the pregnancies and basically just having zero focus on myself. And the doctor had pretty much suggested that I lose the weight, otherwise he was going to put me on, she was going to put me on medication. I was pre-diabetic, possibly going to have high blood pressure and have to take medication to control that. And I also later found out that my cholesterol levels were pretty high. So I spoke with my husband, and he pretty much supported me in my efforts to get back into shape. And I did that. So during my journey, I actually got obsessed with my core. I had a very successful body transformation with the help of an awesome trainer. Her name's Jennifer Van Barneveld of Coach JBB. She helped me significantly. Where I was still struggling with, though, was with my core. Although I had lost all the weight and managed to place in a bikini competition, there was just something in my core that was off. I didn't feel strong, and on top of it, I was leaking urine accidentally. So let's just speak openly about that. Incontinence is very common in women who've had 2 or 3 children or more. And it's due to the fact that the pelvic floor muscles get really weak. And basically it's when you cough, laugh, or sneeze, you start to leak urine. So in my case, it's when it was really more evident when I was exercising. And I literally, if you had me doing burpees, I would have to go stop and run to the bathroom. Like when I was in a boot camp, they actually thought I was making an excuse to just get out of working out, but really I did have to go. So I was, I wasn't even 40, I was 41, 42 at the time, and I was already wearing my liners. So I just accepted it like every other mom. After I obtained my certification to become a core specialist, I wanted to cure myself first. So I didn't touch a client with the program until I knew that it worked. To my surprise, over the course of about 4 to 5 weeks, I corrected my diastasis recti. It was actually 6 fingers wide, and I managed to get it down to about a finger wide with tension that had developed in between my 2 rectus abdominal muscles. And all that means really is that I can maintain tension in between, which is actually the goal. The goal is not to close the gap. The goal is to gain strength in the connective tissue in between so that you can engage and maintain strength in your core. On top of that, to my surprise, after correcting my diastasis recti, I also didn't have to wear liners anymore. So here I am, out to deliver a really important message to as many women as I can reach, to let you know that diastasis recti and early signs of urinary incontinence is very common. It's about time that we start discussing it, and want to also let you know that I'm here to help. You can reach me on Facebook at Strong Bikini Mom. I'm also on Instagram, where I share testimonials from all the wonderful women I've worked with so far. So you can look me up on Instagram at Strong Bikini Mom. And if you want to book a consultation with me, I'll be more than happy to sit down with you and discuss some of your goals and your concerns. And you can do that by simply emailing me at strongbikinimom@gmail.com. So I want to share something with you. I'm actually terrified at public speaking. It's my #1 fear. However, considering that I'm so passionate about helping as many women as I can, I decided to suck it up and try to get good at this. And if I can put myself out there and put a video together to get this message out so that you know help's available, I'm 100% confident that you can achieve whatever goals you set out for yourself.